This one is ready.
Inside these precision steel pipelines, thick, sustainably sourced bamboo pulp flows. This marks the beginning of a modern
Automated systems begin the process. Impurities are precisely removed. Membrane technology ensures absolute purity, delivering.
The fiber purity is looking excellent on this batch.
The fresh BAM fibers begin their journey through the automated washing channels. Newly spun bamboo yarn is wound at high speed. These automated spools create a flawless finish, redefining. Precision is key. Advanced sensors maintain the perfect heat, resulting in flawless bamboo fabric. Each roll of bamboo fabric undergoes rigorous inspection. Digital scanners detect even the smallest flaws. Redefining textile production with premium bamboo fabrics. Welcome to the future of sustainable fashion, where technology meets premium bamboo fabrics, delivering unrivaled precision in every stitch. Welcome to the future of sustainable fashion. Here, automation meets absolute precision, crafting premium bamboo garments. Bamboo fibers require absolute precision. Industrial steam removes every imperfection, leaving a flawlessly smooth. Experience the soft touch of bamboo. Sustainable fashion redefined for modern life.